In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly insert a screenshot in a Word document, a skill that's super useful, whether you're working on a report, a presentation, or just trying to share some information in a clear and visual way. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to have your Word document open and make sure you've placed your cursor exactly where you want the screenshot to appear. This step is vital because the image will be inserted right where the cursor is positioned, so think about where it'll have the most impact in your document. The next step is to go to the ribbon at the top of your Word window. Here, you'll find the Insert tab. Give that a click. It's a treasure trove of options if you're looking to add anything into your document, from tables to pictures, and today, we're focusing on the Illustrations group located within this tab. Now, within the Illustrations group, you'll see an option called Screenshot. Clicking on this will open up two main choices for you. The first option is Available Windows. This is where you'll find thumbnails of all the windows you currently have open. If you want to insert an entire window into your document, all you need to do is click on one of these thumbnails and voila! It's inserted in full detail right into the spot where your cursor is. If you're looking for something a little more focused, the second option, screen clipping, is ideal. By selecting this, your screen will become slightly opaque. This is your cue to drag and define exactly what portion of the screen you wish to capture. This is particularly useful if you want to highlight a specific part of a window without including the entire view. Once you've made your selection, release the mouse, and that clipping will automatically be placed in your document. Once you have your screenshot or screen clipping inserted, you might want to modify it slightly to better fit your document's needs. Word offers various formatting options through picture tools. You can resize, add borders, or apply effects to make your image pop, or just blend more seamlessly with the rest of your content. Experimenting with these tools can really elevate the look of your document. Finally, don't forget to save your hard work. Take a brief moment to hit that Save button, ensuring all your changes and insertions are securely tucked away. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can enhance your documents with relevant visuals, making them more engaging and easier to understand. Thanks for watching, and happy document crafting!